ミカとピッピの今度こそやり直し英語へようこそ。今日のお話は第2巻 A Busy Day です。優しい英語の絵本をゆっくり音読します。画面の英文を見ながら声に出して真似して読んでみましょう。The sun comes up. Mika opens her eyes. She stands up and smiles. A new day starts in the forest. Mika walks and opens the door. She looks outside and feels happy. Pippi comes to the house. Mika looks and sees the little bird. The little bird comes every morning. Pippi walks in and sits down. Mika smiles and opens a window. I love this morning, she says. Mika makes warm bread. Pippi likes the bread and eats it. Mika likes the warm bread and eats it. They drink and look outside. Pippi likes this warm breakfast and smiles. They eat and talk and laugh. Mika works in the garden. She carries small seeds. She puts the seeds in the warm ground. Pippi helps Mika and works too. The little bird works and sings. Mika sees Pippi and laughs. Pippi sings a happy song. A small bird hears the song. The small bird sings too. Mika hears the song and smiles. She wants to sing too. Mika and Pippi sing and play. Mika sits down and reads a book. She reads slowly and looks happy. Pippi looks and sees the old book too. Mika knows this old forest story. She reads the story and smiles. Pippi feels warm and happy. Pippi works all day. Now the little bird feels tired. Pippi sits down and feels sad. I need rest, Pippi says. Mika sees the tired bird. She wants to help her friend. Mika helps the tired bird. She gives Pippi a warm bed. She holds Pippi and smiles. Sleep now, little friend, Mika says. Pippi feels warm and happy. The little bird holds Mika and smiles. Pippi loves this kind friend. Evening comes slowly. The sun goes down. Mika and Pippi sit and look outside. They see the red sky in the window. This is a good day, Mika says. Pippi sits and feels happy. The forest sleeps in the dark. Mika and Pippi feel tired and happy. Pippi loves this busy day. Mika smiles and holds her little friend. They sleep in the small house. Tomorrow comes and a new day starts.